Yeah, I'm just gonna check this out. All right.
Yeah, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we're going to be talking some low caps today. While the market is pumping, we got a lot to talk about. We got Jay here with the charts. What's good, Jay?
What's going on?
Man, how you feeling, man? The chart's looking good. Chart's looking beautiful.
Yeah, I know. I'm feeling real good right now. It's looking kind of nice.
Man, we live on. Let me check all this. Let me check all the other streaming sites. Make sure we good everywhere. As you guys come in, make sure you guys like this stream. Comment down below what do you guys think, and let me check out whatever comments we got right now. Green Bean, are we back? EA, we gonna fight. We gonna figure that out in just a second. Jay got something to say.
Second.
Rune, what's good, Rune? Dave P, what's good? What's good, guys? What's good? So let's get into this, nice little intro here. You guys already know, if you guys want a solid group, go check out the Patreon. Let me refresh it, because we did actually post a play that we got in there a few days ago. We actually hit on some decent plays just to start the year off, with some gamble plays, not too crazy. But we're about to start shifting the focus a little bit more and get into some solid low caps that is pretty cheap. We're not actually going to talk about them in this stream here, because, I got to save that for a little bit later. And then after you guys do your due diligence, of course, pick up the ebook. You guys can sign up for the Patreon group, take advantage of the discount that's going on to start off the new year. Test out the group, see it's for you guys. And then you guys can pick up a cold storage wallet. If you guys don't have one already, I use Tangem. Use code EverythingAltcoin, save yourself 10%. And let's get into it. Oh, I always keep forgetting about promoting my, my app. We still waiting right now. There's a process going on in the Apple Store. Go follow Safe Intel on Twitter right now, just to get you guys ready for the Prediction Intel app that I'm dropping. And let's get into it, man. So El Salvador now is giving out Bitcoin passports to tourists visiting the country. Now, I personally want to get me one. If you guys don't know, I went to El Salvador not too long ago. I'm probably gonna go back just for this, just for this right here.
This is tight.
And then, you got the crypto YouTube viewership plunges to 5-year low after a 3-month decline. Now, damn, this hurts, because I've seen it on live stream. Have you seen it on your channel too, Jay?
Yeah, I've definitely seen it on my channel, especially being that I didn't drop a lot of videos. So I'm definitely seeing like the viewership is lower.
Yeah, it's going to come back, especially now that the market is getting a little bit bullish. Trump had a pretty busy 2026 already, captured the Venezuela president, seized Russian oil tanker. He did a bunch of stuff so far. Now there's even more things going on. He's imposing a 25% tariff on any country that is doing business with Iran. And if you guys don't know, there's some other bombing things that's going on in Iran right now. We might just go to a war with Iran, but it seems like the market don't really care too much right now.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting.
Yeah, and Trump also said he wants the Fed to drop rates lower. So you guys already know he's already going to have a new Fed chair. I think it's in June, one of the two. This is going to be happening very soon here. Just getting through these early things here. If you guys don't know, I think Jay, you dropped a video on this. Pretty much Jerome Powell.
Yeah,
investigated. What happened there?
Basically, they're investigating Jerome Powell for the renovations, and basically Jerome is saying, hey, look, they're just attacking me because I don't want to do what Trump says. He's trying to remain like independent from government influence, which is good, but of course Trump wants those interest rates low, so Trump is trying to pump our bags no matter what, pretty much. Long story short, he's trying to pump his homies bags for sure.
I seen the quote, if they don't win the midterms, he's gonna get impeached. That's what he said. So they fighting for this
midterms, he's gonna get impeached.
That's what he said. They fighting.
Yeah, I mean, they have a lot of control right now, so they definitely don't want to lose it.
Yeah, the Clarity Act, the vote for the Clarity Act is happening January 15th. So that's just in a few days here. So there's a lot of bullishness that's happening to start off the year already. So that may be a reason why we seeing Bitcoin actually run from like 90 something this morning to 95. That's a big move, right? And then a trader just put in $33,000 on Bitcoin to hit 150K before June. What are you thinking about that? Because there's a lot of people talking about the huge short squeeze is coming in right now. Let's refresh this.
Before June is tough.
Let's refresh this. We had 95K, Jay. We had 95K, man. What's the charts looking like for us, man?
Yeah, 95. Hold on, let me get to the right screen real quick.
What's the charts looking like?
Here we are right here. Okay. First things first, we can look at this SPX all-time highs. So that's good. Bitcoin's been following that. Looking at Bitcoin though, okay. It's the weekly chart. We right here at the point. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Okay, yeah, we right here at the point where we need to get above. Remember this level, like it was up here at 95, but the moving average, of course, moved down with the price. So we right here at 95, whatever. We need to hold this for the next 5 days. This is where I get weary at, because most of the time we do wick, like over here. We wick above. Everyone gets excited at this point, and then this happens. So we just got to make sure that we stay above it right here on this weekly chart. But it's a good start. It got to start on the daily chart. Once we go to the daily, we see we've been well above it, for the last couple of weeks. Nice rounded bottom, pay the bills. And yeah, I still got the 99K level marked off because the monthly, like we're looking at these charts on long, like if we're talking, is it going to be bear market? Is it going to be bull market? We're looking at these weekly and these monthlies, So the bull trap level is still 99K, y'all. 99K. So I'm accepting the fact that I could be happy because the daily and the weekly, but also keeping in mind that there is a bull trap level above our head. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So good start. We in the right direction for sure.
Man, I like to hear it, man. I like to hear it. We might just have to get Jay Flip bullish again at some point in time. When Jay Flip's bullish, I think we might be good. We might be in the clear, man, because he's been
we
a
got
little bit bearish.
Man, look, I tell you what, you don't even have to wait for me to say it to the stream. The moment we close above this line right here is the moment I'm already starting to look for what to drop a bag on, but that'll be the moment to really drop the bag a little, safely. If you watch my last video, I said it's all about gaining wealth and preserving wealth. Forget taking a loss. I'm ignoring opportunity losses right now because there's so many opportunities across this whole market, and they're gonna keep popping up. So I'm just looking at gaining and preserving. So
yeah, it's been a lot of opportunities lately. It's been a lot of things shaking up, man. It's been a lot of things shaking up here. If you guys don't know, Polygon recently announced that they bought out CoinMe. I don't know who else still pays attention to Polygon. Jay, you pay attention to Polygon?
Not really. That's why this news is like Polygon. It's always making moves, but even though I see it making moves, I still don't pay attention. It's weird.
Yeah. And they also generated $1.7 million in fees just in the year just started for Polymarket. But I'm assuming Polymarket is still looking to do their own L2 as they mentioned before. So things may switch back for Polygon, but I'm not paying attention to Polygon for a while.
Yeah.
Other news, if you guys don't know, since the launch of Arrow, it hit the all-time high volume more than any other DEX as of right now. That's your Uniswap, that's your Pancake Swap, and that's your other little DEXs that you got here. So Arrow is looking pretty big. Next quarter, I keep telling you guys, quarter 2 is their big upgrade, and they're going to be going on to Ethereum. So things may get interesting. Could we be seeing a new EVM DEX take over, being Arrow? What do you think about that, Jay?
Definitely, man. That is, just being the fact that they're having all-time highs like volume, that's crazy. That starts everything. That starts everything. So
yeah, I think the big thing was for them getting integrated into Coinbase. That is just going to bring so much user onto them, so much revenue. So we're going to have to see. Coinbase has Jupiter and Arrow on their platform right now. So tokenized stocks is quietly exploding on chain. Still some more. It's a lot going on. You can see here from the on chain tokenized assets. That's why we're pretty bullish on RWAs and tokenization in general here. You guys already know. And Solana is looking like it's going to be one of the main places where RWAs may just take off. And one of these low caps I'm going to be talking about in this stream here is going to be an RWA platform, but it's going to be on Base. Also, CoinGecko weighs a sell for around $500 million. That's huge. Binance is going to make a big bag off of... Wait, does Binance own CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap? I forgot.
They own CoinMarketCap.
Okay, never mind. Who owns CoinGecko then?
I think they're just CoinGecko, to be honest. I don't know if they're owned by any group or anything like that.
Any group? Okay, that makes sense. Well, that'd be a big sell if they decide to sell for them, though. But you guys already know. And some other news that's been happening in the altcoin trenches, if you guys missed it. Eric Adams, the previous NYC mayor, he's making us look bad, bro. I ain't gonna lie, he's making us look bad. He launched
He's going out with a bang right now.
He launched his own meme coin called the NYC, right? And that thing crashed 80%. If you guys haven't checked right now, is it even pumping back up a little bit? Nah, it's still at 40 million market cap with a crazy low liquidity. Have you even looked into this? Did you even see this, Jay?
No, I didn't even see this. I barely just like, this is my first time hearing about this, seeing this. So this is kind of crazy.
Yo, I don't even know what's going on with these politicians dropping a freaking meme coins and things like that. But you guys can see from Star Platinum here, the worst crypto scams so far led by politician Donald Trump with the Trump coin, Melania with Melania, Javier Milei with
That's
Libra.
definitely a fact statement right there for sure.
Yeah, Cuba government with their Cuba coin, Ryan Fournier, TikTok, Senator John Cornyn. I don't even know how to say the last name. USA.
Another senator dropped. Like y'all naming off people I didn't even know dropped tokens for real.
Yeah, I have no idea why this shouldn't even be legal, to be honest. They shouldn't even be able to drop these coins out here. But Eric Adams, yeah, get this man out of here, man. Making us look bad.
He's been doing a lot of stuff that's been making us look bad, man.
But better news for the meme coin trenches though. PSYOP, outside of Whale Guru or Whale whatever, the white whale thing going crazy. PSYOP on Solana went nuts, absolutely nuts. There's people that just made millions overnight on this one play. It seems like the market is waking back up, both from the utility side and the trenches is waking up on Solana. I didn't play this at all. Anybody did play this? Jay, you played this?
No, I didn't even hear about this because I haven't been on the trenches side for sure.
Well, I guess they make like viral AI theme posts for like whatever is going on, and Elon Musk has followed them. And it seems like more people are buying into this a little bit more here. So this might be the next one that people are going to be talking about. It started off like a little anime meme narrative. I didn't play it because you got another one, Akita here. Akia. This is another anime that's been going. Look at this, absolutely nuts. And it's still pretty. That's that gamble range right there.
Yeah,
you can see it. Hey, I said I don't talk about memes, but sometimes I gotta point it out if it looks good. I'm not into any of them right now, so I don't got a position.
An interesting one, a little bit,
Yeah, I don't got a position in any of them as of right now. So, but other news here, getting into more other altcoin news. Altcoin saw a roughly 40 billion outflow as speculative risk unwound. Right, so there's still some little outflows going on for the altcoin market, but if you're looking at like the top gainers here, there's a few that looks interesting. One, we got the DRB bot. This is the Grok bot that quote unquote was created by Grok himself or whatever. Where is this at right now? It has pumped. I don't know if you guys got it, but we talked about this on stream a few times. We talked about it back over here. Then it dropped. It pumped a little bit. Then it dropped again. Then it pumped back up again. This is another meme that's just going crazy, but this is on base. I missed out on this. This all happened in, let me see. It's pretty much just happened in the last few days from January 9th and just started pumping. I don't know if any of you guys caught that, Jay. Did you even look at this or even catch that?
Nope. Not. It's a lot that's been happening. I'm like, yo.
Yeah. Privacy side, though. I know you've been keeping up with the privacy side because Dash is over here up 56% on the day, while Monero also in the last 7 days is up 52%. So things is looking good for the legacy privacy plays.
Yeah, things been looking good for sure for privacy. I'm also, like one of my biggest privacy plays is ZK. So yeah, that looked like it's kind of rounding. It's been doing good this week. So
it's pumping a little bit.
A little bit. It's on the floor, like it's lifting off the floor. So that's kind of where I want to be at. You know what I mean? I want to be.
Yeah. You want to catch it early.
I want to catch it right when it starts moving off the floor.
What's ZK looking like? Because I wanted to talk about it. Oh yeah, it started to come up. Nice little move here. Not too bad. I gotta talk about my first altcoin I ever bought. Low key.
Okay.
Low key. Would it be bad to buy Verge again? If everything.
Hey, if everything those things, it's like if the legacy ones are coming back, man.
I don't know if this is a good thing or not, yo. I don't know, man. But you know, I had to look at Verge. I don't know any of you guys' first altcoin that you bought, but sometimes I like to look back on mine. It's like that first girl you ever kissed growing up. You know, you never forget about her. So, looking at these other ones here, you got Clinker up. ApeCoin is up. I haven't seen ApeCoin up in a minute. Edge, ApeCoin is up. Melania is up. Just talking about Melania here. Cookie Dow is up. Horizon. This is another privacy play, but this one is on base. You remember this one? We just mentioned the last stream too.
I was kind of bullish on Horizon when it first came out.
Yeah, so that's up a little bit right now. Nothing too crazy. And the top losers, Eliza, Islamic Coin, Humanity, Robit. Nothing too crazy in terms of the top losers over here. But looking at some of these comments here, I see Super. What's good, Super? Welcome to the stream. Privacy is because payments a narrative everyone forgot about. Yeah. Yep. As stablecoin gets more popular, and you know, I think everybody's going to be using stablecoins. The privacy narrative is going to grow with that. It's going to go hand in hand.
Yeah. Also because of robots. You know, robots need. I keep saying it, but like the robots in X402 needs privacy.
Yeah. That is very true here. Even CoinGecko put out their top 9 crypto narratives for 2026. Mm-hmm. What do we need about meme launch pads? Are we just going to be talking about pump fund? Why?
Meme launch pads? Nah, I mean, unless there's another, platform that comes out of nowhere that's going to actually compete better than pump fund, I don't think so.
Yeah. ICO launch pads, I can see that, but I don't think we're going to be able to play them.
Because you have a couple already. You know, you got Moonshot and like Bonk and all that.
Oh yeah, for meme launch pads, yeah, I forgot about those. Yeah. ICO launch pads, we may be able to play them. I know MetaDAO, Echo does not have a token, so there's gonna be some other ones. Prediction markets, we've already been said prediction markets multiple times here. Again, they're talking about privacy and ZK here, so that's right on the money for Jay and Super here, right? Perp dexes has been something. I don't even know how many of them we need.
Yeah. I mean, pretty much the demand is there, I guess.
Yeah. Pretty much every chain is going to have their own perp dex. So, stable coins and stable chains. I don't know about this one too much. ETFs and DATs. You think DATs is still going to be making a comeback here? DATC Coast, whatever.
I don't know. To be honest, I haven't been looking into it.
They got RWA at 8th over here, man. RWA
is at 8th. Oh,
crypto
yeah.
cards behind
who wrote this list, man?
They need to get fired, bro. That's what's going on here.
They about to get people sitting on the sideline.
Pay AI, yeah. Actually, we could look into Pay AI. This is a low cap stream too, so we're gonna be looking into some low caps during this stream here. Jay, what's the first low cap you got for us, man?
Low caps, man.
What's the first low cap you got for
us? Let's see. What type of low cap we want? We want like a DGen, or we want like
Nah. We're gonna keep a DGen ones for another time. Give me some, give me something nice. Like under 50 mil is cool though.
Under 50 mil, okay.
Yeah. And then we're gonna look at Pay AI. Then we're gonna get to my pick.
Now let's start with IXS because that one, I've been talking about it, and it's like
you have been on this pretty much every stream for
almost
RWA.
every stream because it's been going pretty cool.
Yeah, talk to me.
It's been doing some things, but if you're big on RWAs, we've been pumping, and they have the assets ready to already put on their protocol. So that's one of the reasons why I'm super bullish on them. They got the partnership. They got the people using it. So yeah, let's start with that one, and then
ISS. Let me look into that. What's their Twitter looking like? I check it periodically. I don't check it all the time.
Yeah, their Twitter. The most recent thing they announced is they did the audit showing that they actually had $84 million worth of assets on there, and then they just been promoting RWAs a lot. They haven't really been posting, so they're kind of working in the background.
Yeah. They on base now, so that's a good thing. And I seen this tweet here that they have for the early ones. Total value locked 88 million. The TVL. Not too bad. This was on rwa.io. We looked at RWA.xyz the last time. So
Yeah.
I'm not too mad at this. A little gamble for RWAs. They got it at 8th though. Super with the Pay AI. Let's look at Pay AI. Pay AI was a big fumble for me last year, man. It was a big fumble for me, man. Before it actually took, oh yeah, they did move on to a new contract, right? They did move on to a new contract. Let me see. Does the new okay. It has to show up here. Right now it's 14 mil. I do like the infrastructure for X402. Pay AI does look like a good infrastructure play for X402 on Solana. Now, oh yeah, they did change everything, so it's not going to show it up here, but they had went below $1 million market cap. It was like, I think like a few $100K market cap.
Mm-hmm.
We sold out of it in the Discord group because we had called it earlier. We sold out of it and it started to pump ridiculous, bro. That thing hurt my feelings. That's how bad it ran up. I fumbled on the bag, man. Pay AI does look good though. Another one for the Solana ecosystem on X4OT.
Ridiculous, bro.
Oh yeah, I hear the feedback on there, Jay. Are they working with Scale? They probably. I used to be bullish on Scale too back in the day, like last year really. But no, nothing too crazy updates here. But another one I do like for Solana agents for Solana X402 is Daydream. The Pay AI and Daydream will be the two that I would pick for like this X402 narrative. I think they're doing more transactions than any other one besides Coinbase. So this was the reason I was bullish on this one pretty much. I forgot the facilitator website that we got to go check out on
Transactions.
And then King Pound said go ZBAC. Let's go ZBAC. That's a pretty high up market cap, but I actually haven't looked into ZBAC at all. BXX. What is BXS? XX. Man, you know about this, Jay? What the heck? This man always come here shilling something real low, man. What's that? With CLL. The banking is over. Who is this? Jay, you there?
Yeah. My bad. My sound was messed up for a minute when I went live. But we back.
You know about this play?
This website looks familiar. What is this? This is
BXX.
BXX.
Market leader in crypto payments. It's a neobank play pretty much.
Okay.
Pioneering payments without partners such as MetaMask, Ledger, and Exodus. Damn, I haven't heard of Exodus in a long time, yo. That was my first wallet.
Yeah. That was my first wallet too. I stopped using it after a while.
Yeah, I don't see too much for this one. Now, where was I? We did just look at it. I do want to talk about my first low cap here. It leads into what pretty much off this tweet here. If you guys don't know, Google has launched the Universal Commerce Protocol, which is basically what we've been talking about on this channel here. But for their version, they have, we talked about ACP, which is Virtual's version, the Agentic Commerce Protocol. And then you got X402, which is basically the same thing. And then you got A2A, which is Agentic to Agentic. And there's there's going to be a bunch of other protocols. But Google announcing their own protocol lets me know that, Agentic, the AI agents is still here. Anything that could integrate now UCP will probably be talked about, right? Mm-hmm. And this leads me to this tweet here, pretty much Deployer. If you guys don't know, Deployer is the person that deployed BankerBot. Now, BankerBot hasn't been talked about a lot, but he put out this tweet. What if we gave BankerBot account a debit card that you can top up with your USDC and use automations to buy your insert product here, buy anything, pretty much. Be an agent that you could use on chain pretty much. And on repeat every month to become the first agent to integrate the Shopify/Google UCP. Now, if it's able to do this, it's actually going to be talked about a little bit more. I would be happy. And if you guys don't know, they are actually working with Virtuals here. They're continuously testing their BankerBot and the Virtuals Butler agent. So that could be a little bit interesting. And right now, it really hasn't done too much. it is sitting at $29 million market cap as of right now. When you guys go look at, oh, did this change a little bit here? Let me see. Yeah, in terms of market cap, it did get up higher. Like it got up to about like 101. This was back in July and has come back down. It looks like it may look to make that move again, but this has been a little low cap. I've always kept an eye on because deployer just continues to deploy. Have you looked into Banker at all, Jay?
Yeah.
What's your thoughts on this?
I think it's pretty cool. I haven't bought any yet, but I do have it on my list. I might get some because when I look more at the Asian plays.
You said the Asia plays? What you mean?
No, agent.
Oh, agent. I heard agent.
Oh, Asian.
Yeah. So yeah, this is pretty much what I'm liking right now. I'm gonna continue watching him. And if you guys don't know, actually, we did just look at DRB on here, right? Where's DRB? DRB was actually launched from BankerBot, I believe so, if I'm not mistaken, right? Or was it launched from Clinker? I think it was launched from BankerBot or Clinker. It's one of the two. What's your second one?
Mixed up. I always get those two mixed up for sure.
Yeah. What's your second one, Jay?
My second one's gonna be. Let's do something from Tao. Let's go with Bitcast.
Bitcast? They got a token?
SN93.
Oh, SN93?
Yeah.
They got a token? I did not know that. Okay, how you feeling? Talk to me.
Why does it say creator? It says creator. That's one thing. That is one thing about the Tao is that the titles be tripping me out, man. It's supposed to be Bitcast or whatever. But okay, I like Bitcast because, like, for one, it's actually got a working product. It's actually working right now, and I think when it comes to like all these AIs and everything, marketing and community and like it's like the back end of a lot of stuff for a lot of these protocols going to be like the marketing part. And did I give you the right? Which card? That looks like the wrong one. Oh, that's 98.
That's not it. Yeah, SN98.
No, 93.
Oh, you said SN93.
Yeah. Bitcast. So what they do is they just get creators and people. It's like a exchange for content creator work and marketing. And it's part of the Tao ecosystem. So I think, as Tao grows and as Tao keeps going crazy, this is going to keep getting emissions, going to keep going crazy. Nice. And as they do more and more campaigns, like people could do campaigns outside of the Tao ecosystem, I think it can go nuts.
I actually do remember this. I did apply. I did apply to be a creator. I did get accepted not too long ago. I just didn't make no videos for them.
Okay, yeah. I haven't made any videos on them yet either, but I'm like, just on the back end, like the investment in this platform is kind of a nice one when you just look at like, they're doing some volume and they're burning a lot of tokens. And
I do see Millie. I do remember Millie talking about it too.
Yeah, Millie was saying that he was actually doing pretty well on here as a creator. So I'm like, if creators are doing well on something, it's gonna be useful. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. We gotta find a way to find a good like creator economy play, like the creator capital markets. We haven't found any really that could take off. We thought Zora was going to be that, but Zora really hasn't been able to cement itself for me. It's still high up in market cap, and I think it's going to get pushed by Coinbase in them for a while, depending on how things go for them. But yeah, Bitcast does look good though. Yeah. That's the max chart right there.
Very niche, very low cap. You know what I'm saying? So there's potential for me on that. If something that niche catches a hype cycle, we going crazy.
Yeah. For me, I'm over here looking into now what Liberty Fi is doing, because now Liberty Fi is starting to open up their, they're starting to do their app. They already applied for their Coinbase. This is not the play, by the way. It's just leading to the play.
Okay, you must be leading to the play on World.
Yeah. World Liberty Fly, they already applied for their banking license. So that is going to be looking pretty interesting here. And then they also has launched a crypto lending platform powered by Dolomite, right? If you guys don't know, Dolomite actually started to pump today. Where is it at? Dolomite, which is a random play because Dolomite is on Beria chain. Now, this ain't pump. Let me look at the last 7 days here. You can see here, just today. This was announced. The news was announced today. This also not to play, guys. But this, you guys could have seen it at about 4 cents. It pumped to about just under 8 cents, and it has come back down since then, but may continue to go back up. Because if they're working with World Liberty Fi, this looks like a good target. But for me, I'm like, this came out of nowhere because this is more a beer chain play. But it's okay. If they wanted a lending market, I feel like they could have found some other ones. But again, that's not too bad news for them. And where we at right here. And then, like I said, they're launching their app, right? And reason I'm bringing all of this up is pretty much because if you guys do not know, they actually even retweeted Edu. Now, we talked about Edu a minute ago on this channel here as an RWA play that is looking to, bring stocks on chain. This came out just right before the year ended, and now they're moving on to testnet. They already said they're going to be putting out their roadmap for Q1 and Q2. They already partnered with World Liberty Fi. You can see them retweeting them, which is huge news for me because I've been stacking up on these guys here since they came out. You guys can see they came out here about November and then started to pump, and then their drop. And now we're looking like we're at a pretty decent floor where we might just stack up on this at an $11 million market cap. I think this is one of the better low caps better RWA low caps on base, I should say, which is why I'm looking at them because of that partnership that they have with US, World Liberty Fi. So what do you think about this, Jay? Have you been looking at Edu? I think you was there when we was talking about Edu on here.
Yeah. I was looking at this one when we were talking about it and the connections to the World Liberty Fi. So
yeah, it's been a pretty decent little low cap here. It had that initial pump, but hasn't gone back up yet. But I believe it's going to start to do so in this year here, as more things come from their app here. There's going to be a lot more things that's going to be coming from their app that we're going to see once they fully deploy this. I think there's going to be hype around anything connected to World Liberty Fi and USD1, and that is going to be a Edu. That's going to be a Dolomite. Where is Dolomite again? Here, looking at a $26 million market cap, while you got Edu about $11 million market cap. So those are two targets that you can look at. So I pretty much gave you guys two low caps to look at in one. Jay, what's your next pick here? Because we talking, man. We hot.
Two caps in one. Let's go Solana privacy with Voidify because I think of course it's going to be the year of privacy or whatever. But I like this one because you can do it with your swaps and you can do it right there on on your wallet.
Oh, privacy. I forgot about this. Y'all was talking. Damn, you went degen on me.
Yeah. That's why. Okay, this one because for sure it's at 200. It's at 200K. You know what I'm saying? So this is on the floor of the floors right here. Yeah, and it launched. And the weird thing is we're gonna have these coins that launched as a meme coin, but actually have real structure. And that's that's gonna go crazy when I think the meme coin market does kind of wake back up, because I think the meme coin market is kind of shifting towards utility, but also they want the fast gains and that part of it. Yeah. So that's what I'm getting on Solana. You know what I'm saying? Because there's not much else on Solana. You know what I'm saying? But so but I do like this one. I've been watching this one. The team seems pretty cool. I have talked to one of the dudes. You know what I'm saying? So they seem like they're working. They got the app out.
Super just said just today World Liberty opened 3.4 billion token for loan bet. What's loan bet? You know about a loan bet?
What is loan bet?
We look into this one. They still here. They still building privacy. I did want to talk about a low cap privacy play too. Veil.
You said Veil? Oh yeah.
That's gonna be my low cap privacy play. That if I needed one to continue for this little run here.
Yeah, there's a couple of them. Veil is cool. I like obviously this will Voidify.
But are you pulling up the World Liberty Fi thing? Because I missed that.
Oh nah. What was he? My bad. Hold on.
Oh, I thought that's what you was pulling up when you said hold on. I'm just going on their Twitter right now.
By loan bet. Let's see.
They got the trading pairs. I don't know how much I should be, I'm not confident in World Liberty Fi. I know they're gonna be trying to fuck people over.
Yeah, they gonna be doing some shit though. I think like because they can't just be all extraction. You know what I mean? They gotta have some times where they make some gains, and a lot of their moves have been, or not even like have like their moves have been strategic or anything. It's just like they'll come out of nowhere and just buy a low cap. Like they'll buy a $2 million coin, and it'll automatically shoot to 20 million.
Yeah.
Or if you're paying attention, you might be able to catch it.
And I don't even follow them. That's the thing for World Liberty Fi. I don't even really
Yeah,
follow them.
I'm looking through my Twitter right now. I'm like, do I follow them? Like, nah.
But this one wasn't even my play. Veil wasn't even my play that I was going to talk about, but it's up here though. Veil is definitely. I think if Coinbase wants to push them, they really could push them. I know there was like hints of them talking about them a while back ago, but this is up here. When Zen started to run, Veil was running a little bit. What else? Privacy plays you got up there. One of my guys in the Discord actually did something pretty interesting. I wasn't thinking about at the moment, but it actually worked out for him. It looks like it worked out.
What was it?
Hold up. Past 24. Yeah, it looks like it worked out. Why is these just showing? Okay, there we go. Yeah, so boom. So the past 24 hours here, because Monero was pumping, these guys actually is a privacy play based on Monero, mute swap.
Mm-hmm.
So because Monero was pumping, he decided to buy this because, powered by Whisper AI, which is Monero's thing.
Mm-hmm.
He bought this one just because of the Monero run, which looked pretty good. A 42% trade off of this, just off the hype.
Yeah,
of Monero.
I remember Muse Swap for sure. Yeah,
just off the little hype. So
that's like they were originally on ZK, right?
I'm not I think they got. I think
there's every time you bring this one up.
I think there's another one already on ZK if I'm not mistaken. This one, right?
Yeah, is this the same team?
Yeah, this the same one.
Okay,
this one that you're talking about, that's on ZK.
Yeah, is that the same team as the other mute?
Nah, it's not.
Okay, it's a different team.
Crypto G 369. Where the 9 come from? What's good? I know you coming in here. Give me some good low caps you've been looking at. I know y'all looking at some good low caps, man. Come show me some good low caps. Today we just chilling. What's your next pick, Jay? What's up?
Next pick is gonna be SMT.
SMT? Yeah. Oh damn! Nah, I didn't talk about this in a long time. I don't even look at this no more. They did me dirty. Yeah, I don't even look at it no more.
Why? What they do? What they do? I didn't hear about the private side of that.
Nah, they didn't do nothing. It's just they haven't performed the way I wanted them to perform.
Oh yeah. They don't perform. That's what I look at it. It was kind of interesting.
Yeah, give me your spiel. Give me your spiel.
Yeah, so we already know about RWAs going crazy. Polygon, their partnership with Polygon is kind of interesting. I thought about this one because we say, we got that Polygon news. There's a lot of things going on over there on Polygon. Tokenized gold, they got tokenized gold, some good partnerships, and yeah, I think in the RWA market, this one's gonna go crazy.
Yeah, I really haven't. I even unfollowed them, as you can see.
Unfollowed them and everything. The thing is, like, they kind of got like a little one hands up on the regulation for, like, a lot of these institutions that want to do stuff, like, they're gonna need some solidified things. So having the hands up on regulation, the partnerships with some of the bigger, the Moon Pays and stuff like that, seems
2026 is shaping up to be the year of tokenization. Move from hype to utility. Okay. Who's
it will go from hype from utility, but the hype is still what matters. The utility got to be good enough to create that hype. So
I want to see if this platform actually is able to take off. I was going to use the platform a few times. Like, I was super bullish on this thing, man. I was super bullish on them because they was like one of the first actual like plays that had tokenized stocks and things like that.
Yeah,
but they really haven't been doing too much for me, man.
Yeah, I think this year is going to be the year for like tokenized stocks and like tokenized bonds for sure. I definitely that's going to be happening in the background, whether it's like bullish or bearish. That part of the business is going to be moving. It's too much money in it.
Right now. Yeah, Swarm does look okay for RWAs. There's not too many RWA plays, especially on base too. So they're kind of multi-chain, but they're on 4 chains, which is multi-chain. But should be interesting to see how they perform. We'll see if they get talked
See how
about.
their app does. Yeah.
And one that I haven't talked about in a long time. Why are all of these looking like this right now? Let me refresh this. Okay. It looks like some just happened with like CoinGecko Sting. But I haven't talked about Giza in a while. Everything you guys already know, I'm pretty bullish on. Hold on, let me see this comment here. LoanBet is a use case for their own branded stablecoin, USD1. It will be DeFi application for lending, borrowing, etc. Eventually, it will be used to tokenize real estate, including everything Trump.
I get what you're saying. The USD, so LoanBet, USDT1 is the Real Liberty Fi stablecoin, right? So
Yeah.
LoanBet is, what's LoanBet? That's the protocol behind it?
It's a use case for their own branded stablecoin.
Okay. Did you find the page? Where's the page?
Nah, I don't think they got a page for LoanBet. I think it's just all under World Liberty Fi 1.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hold on. I was just checking something over here on the side here. Okay, boom. So yeah, I'm over here with Giza. You guys know I've always been pretty bullish on agentic protocols, especially something like Giza. Having an agent that's able to basically trade for you over time. You guys can see Coinbase even dropped their portfolio manager. And there's a lot of other ones that have been doing the same thing. Now, Giza here, for me, Giza has been building for a while. You guys can see here in 2025, they went from $0 to $39 million assets under agent, I should say. I was about to say under management. 3.25 billion in agentic volume generated, which is amazing. 713k autonomous transactions, 59k individual agents created, and the #1 DeFi AI protocol pretty much out there. Now, during the time I was talking about it, it was obviously going down a lot because of the vesting. A lot of token is coming into supply right now, so it has suppressed this. And let me see if I'm still logged in my crypto rank, see where this is at in terms of the vesting. Because I actually haven't looked into vesting for Giza in a little bit. Now that the market is starting to shape back up, it's time to look at some of these low caps, where they at. Let's see. I'm still logged in, so yeah, they gonna bless me. Are they gonna bless me? Nope. Am I logged in? Am I logged in right now?
They ain't gonna let you see
it. Yeah, I got a free account. Nah, they won't even let me see it. But you can see the early backers here. This doesn't end until May 2028, so we got 2 years before that. Team and investors, they're still going on as of right now. I wish I could see the full thing, but there's a lot of vesting still going for this. So we'll actually have to see how this is going to perform once the market starts to shake up a little bit more. A little bit more inflation to go here. Yeah, what's good, the Big E?
What's going on? Hey, and then and Giza's you said the AI trading bot?
Yeah, it's pretty much it's a agent that trades for you. And they already got 3.25 billion on agentic volume here. I was always bullish on this thing as of right now. As you guys know, a lot of AI agents are going to be living on the blockchain, and they're going to be transacting and probably going to be making money for us too. So you can see there, they got their ARMA. They actually partnered with Chainlink. Not only did they partner with Chainlink, I forgot who else did they partner with. That was a pretty big partnership at the time. Do they even have it on their website here? I think they took it off their Twitter page after a while. Let me see.
What, the actual partnership?
Yeah, I forgot who was the actual partners that they had partnered with, so I don't want to misquote them. And then but yeah, these are some low caps though as of right now. There's a lot more low caps though.
A lot. Just before the stream, I was going through a whole list of my low caps, and I'm like, yo, let me see who got the news coming. Because there's low caps that, like, I'm not one of those people who's gonna sit there and tell you that they gotta be talking to the community and everything. I'll be like, hey, shut up, get to work, go build, and go get partnerships and go work, and then come tell me what happened. I don't need you to update me every day. But a lot of them are not updating right now. When the market is pulling back and people are kind of, people are upset, whatever.
We do need like a low cap to really take off. We haven't had one in a while that really took off, besides meme coins, of course. But once we get one of those low caps to take off, because people got to get confidence back into these low caps again. And there's so many low caps that's just freaking cheap from different narratives too. Like looking into the AI narrative, there's a lot of low caps in here, man. We're
a lot of low caps in here. Yeah, even today I was like, let me try to stick outside of the AI narrative, since that's where all of the plays have been. You know, we've seen some nice plays in AI lately.
Like IONET is getting to a very cheap price. Look at this. IONET was up there in the hundreds of millions, I want to say. Yeah.
Yeah, IONET was.
Why does it show me that? When you go look at it, yeah, I think something's tweaking. Yeah, you can see it got up to 500 million market cap. Now is right now sitting at 45. So that'll be just a little bit above a 10x to get back to his all-time high in terms of market cap. Not saying it's going to do that at all, especially with the inflation that came out for it. So IONET, there's some potential here. You got token here. You got AI XBT that went nuts. And what the hell? Oh yeah, they had already moved in. What else? AO computer here. This is for
Super's coins.
This is down here at 31 million. There's just AI here, so there's a lot of even Flock here. I haven't talked about Flock in a little bit, but I do think that Flock could be another one that we have to pay attention to. Allura recently came out too. There's another AI play here. Newton Protocol. What else we got here?
You got Velvet. You got
even Saga. Saga was Saga Nillion.
Saga went crazy though. Look at that chart. What's Saga doing?
Hold up. Yeah, I ain't even peep. Yo, what's going on here?
22 million, man. Yeah, no, that's what I was looking at. Like, yeah, it was throwing me off. CoinGecko's tripping right now. Just hit max again, or hit year and then hit max. There you go.
Yeah, see, it was tweaking. It didn't do all that. So.
Yeah.
Oh, I actually did.
There we go.
19 mil to about 22. A lot of things have been hyped. Like, you know, Saga was an L1 that's been hyped. L1? Hold on. L1 at 22 million is... Did they fail?
L1 at 22 million is crazy. Well, I mean...
Did they fail, Jay?
Luxo is at 15.
Did they fail? That's the crazy part.
No, I don't think... Here's the thing. I don't know. I don't think they did, because I feel like it depends. It depends on where they are. You know,
Tig is up here.
Thing happened. Saga, I thought Saga had like a $500 million fund.
Yeah, I don't know how Saga got down
projects. I don't know.
Monero on Solana, but a whole Swiss Army utility infrastructure sounds interesting.
Yeah, that's Void.
That's Void. Oh, he's behind you. Okay, that's Void. He's talking about Void.
I don't know if he's talking about Void, but I'm just saying that's what Void is kind of, you know.
IO goodbye. Yeah, I think
more of a tornado cash type of thing.
Yeah, IO is definitely a good buy where it's at. Actually, not financial advice. Super, goddamn, I forgot about Super. This was supposed to be the Solana killer right here.
Oh yeah, Super.
This is supposed to be the Solana killer.
Super was supposed to go crazy. Dang, 18 mil. This layer one.
Hella inflation on this one. All the way. Damn, that's the question though. When you see a layer one that, you know, breaks below 100 million, do you think they failed? Like, this is not broke behind 100 mil. This is broke down below 50 mil.
Yeah, I mean they could always come back, man. I mean, I've seen Polygon do some crazy things. So, I mean, and that's a layer two, but I don't know. I mean, with altcoins, it's hard to tell right now, because a lot of altcoins is gonna have that comeback. Like, they got beat up exponentially bad this cycle. You know what I mean? So they might turn around and do some crazy things. That's why, you know, just getting back to all-time highs might be nice.
It's interesting looking through this AI plays and seeing some of the plays I've been talking about and where they're at right now. Why is CoinGecko tripping like this?
I don't know. It's been tripping all day. What's you see that comment for Kita? What's Kita doing? I remember you was talking about Kita all the time.
WB Carter, what's good? Welcome back to the stream. Kita's another blockchain for L1. What is it, for RWAs, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I know the story behind Kita. I really had a viewer tell me about Kita, man. At about $1 million market cap around there, around here, it started pumping. God damn.
Oh yeah, the viewers be goated with them calls.
Kita, yeah.
Next. Okay, I remember Kita. I wasn't never really interested in Kita. I don't know why.
I want to see, have they put anything updated recently for them?
Let's see.
The most scalable blockchain. I don't even follow them. I had to clear out my followers not too long ago. So you thought 2025 was big. Wait until you see 2026. What they got? What they got?
It's all testnet coming. Like what?
I bet it's a testnet. Okay, hold on. Let's pause it right here. Hold on. Okay. So you got the fiat anchor, the public repositories, the third-party anchors, community grants. So it looks like they're finally going to be building onto the chain. We're going to see what projects they're going to be getting on there. Key to pay is coming. They're going to have a DEX, of course. The Key to card, so there's going to be some neo banking going on over there. Android SDK. What else? What's the backlog here? Nothing on backlog. Okay. Okay, we're gonna check it out.
Yeah, Kita looks okay.
For another like blockchain, I don't know. If it comes below, it gotta come below 100 mil for me to get happy again.
What? Because like Supra is at what was that, 19K or 18K? Yeah, and no doubt that I mean, this ain't financial advice, but Supra getting back to 100 might quick 5x.
Hey. Super will return. Can Super come back, man? That's what we all asking.
That's what we're asking.
That's $1 million question. They actually, you can't compare it to Solana because Solana did go crazy and then drop during the bear market. This thing, Super really hasn't caught a footing at all.
Yeah, it's almost like these coins have been in a bear market since they dropped. So.
And you guys know, if you see my channel, I documented Super for a long time. When it was first just an Oracle that was looking to compete with Chainlink, then they became their own layer one. If you guys don't even know, they actually sponsored one of my videos for them. So like, yeah, I did follow some of the decks that was on their chain. Let's see. Yeah, it's a multi-VM L1. We gotta see if this is gonna come back, man. Hopefully they just don't die. I can't stand to see another L1 just die like that.
Yeah, I mean, it said Super just crossed 1 million daily transactions. So somebody's using the chain.
Yeah. Damn, who is using the chain?
The chart look good.
Kita can go huge. Hopefully, man. Hopefully. Pilt. What the heck is Pilt?
Pilt. That's a new one.
Now, this is a play we haven't heard in a minute. Oh, well, now I said in a minute ever.
Is that Pilot 3?
Oh, Pilot. Damn, this is a virtuals play. I know I'll be on the virtuals, man.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, what's going on here? The APIs on CoinGecko messing up?
Yeah, man. It was sending me to all type of different websites and everything. I don't know what it's doing right now.
Speaking of virtuals, man.
Still can't switch to CoinMarketCap, though.
Speaking of virtuals, there was... Let's open up the app here. Can I open it up from here? I can't.
Oh, it's just loading. Internet's slow right now.
It can't be my internet, man. What's going on here, man? Let's check. All right, I guess it's not. I already. The crazy thing is, I've been on this website so much, I know where it's at. I've been on this website too much. But yeah, there was a recent launch.
Okay.
So you got MuSwap up 44%. We just talked about that with the Monero pump. The connection to Monero got MuSwap going crazy. Reply Court, a lot more of these virtual plays is going to be using Reply Court. Talking about Super actually put me on to Reply Court before they even came out. And they're up about 30%. And we got a nice little run up off of that in the Patreon group. Repo continues to do repo type things, repo and chill. That's what I've been calling it. Hyperbet actually doesn't look too bad. They're actually partnering with Repo for their new game here. And then one that just launched that actually annoyed the freak out of me is actually up a little bit. Wasabot. Let's look at this one here. It came out. Dang. Obviously, I bought it in with the tax. We ran it up. And apparently the market makers, you know, quote unquote market makers, you know,
Mm-hmm.
they lying. It's them. They selling the tokens. They start selling the tokens, and now the thing is going to drop. And actually, it's from a good it's from a good exchange too. People use their exchange. The what is the it's a perp dex. People use the perp dex to pretty much leverage trade these agents too. So I thought this one was going to be a for sure runner up to at least go up to like 20 mil from, like, you know, one of Virtual's first unicorn projects or Pegasus plays, and it disappointed me. It disappointed me, man. I took a little bit of an L here. Yeah, I had to cut out of this, man. I had to cut out of this.
Yeah.
I had to cut out of this.
Look, that look like a rug right there, man.
Super was so bullish. Yes, it was. Sorry for the late response. I'm just scrolling back up, catching up on the stream. Oh yeah, catch up on the stream. Yeah. Look at Radar. Wasn't talking about Voidify. I have Void on my watch list. Okay, we're gonna look at Radar. Machines.
I remember Radar though. I remember this one.
Radar. What's Radar?
It says according to Rug Check. Oh, this one was from Privacy.
Oh, this from Bomb. Okay.
I think I saw this one, but let me see what Rug Checker's talking about, because I think it was something like that. Like as soon as I see that they could mint tokens or something, I'm like, eh.
Machines. I haven't talked about machines in a little bit. That was my little DGen Lowcap right there, my little gamble play. We ran this up nicely.
I remember that one too. Sheesh.
And they started talking to Plume. I thought they was going to get onto the Plume ecosystem or have a partnership with Plume. Actually, let me see if they announced anything new. For Neo Bank plays, I got to figure out. Not all of these Neo Bank plays is going to need a token, though. That's going to be the problem here.
Yeah. And we're not going to need all these Neo Banks either.
Yeah. But you can see it's working right now. And they got a new logo, which I do like. Ooh, Teller.eth.
The orange logo. Are they partnered with Shopify and T-Mobile and all these?
Hold up. Oh, see? Remember we just talked about this. Hold on. What if we just talked about this, right? What if, you know, BankerBot uses, you know, Google's UCP?
Mm-hmm.
Teller says talk to Alex, whoever that is, for about machines. Oops, we'll have it ready for you this week. Oh, okay. It looks like they might be working with machines, BankerBot and machines. Okay. We might see a little.
Saying, what if we give every BankerBot account a debit card?
Yeah. Of course, Super will come back. Their time isn't just yet built for Super Dapps. Okay. What are Super Dapps and why is it better than what we have now? That's a question for you, Super.
Good question.
I'm not familiar.
I was about to ask the same question. What's a Super Dapp? Why is it better than what we have now?
Pilt definitely rugged.
Yeah.
ASM. Oh yeah, you guys play. Oh yeah, bot. I feel like everybody play bot, man.
This is a reminder.
Hey, stop. Alexa about to give me my next reminder.
Here's more on Planters Deluxe lightly.
All right, Alexa, I got you. Chill out. All right. Yeah, they fumbled hard. Can it come back though? Maybe.
That's a question. Back to the main categories.
You've
got electronics and gadgets, home and kitchen, fashion and accessories.
I can't talk just yet.
Alexa.
Here's more on Planters Deluxe lightly salted cashews.
Let me turn this down. Let me turn her down. She chilling right now. All right, boom. Yeah, I got a little blooper there. But yeah, what was ASM? Where's ASM? Oh, Altered State Machine. I remember ASM. If this is what you're talking about. Oh wait, did they change it?
ASM?
You can't. Are you talking about the Assembly AI? I thought you was talking about where the token go for this.
There's a couple of them. ASM, Asman.
I thought you was talking about Altered State Machine. Where the token go for this? Oh, they changed their thing. Oh, I even follow it. Okay, so they're think agents now. Yeah, I forgot. But you probably talking about the other one. It's a good gamble though. Yeah, I'm gonna take. I gotta wait for the next virtuals. Like there has to be a big banger from virtuals as of right now, to bring them back. I actually thought it was gonna be bot, but there hasn't been any. And let me see. Is there any interesting launches coming out? Let me see this one. PSYOP, autonomous trading. Okay, hold on. I like when I see devs out here. Okay, let me see. We gotta wait for whatever Titan launch is gonna have from virtuals. I gotta drop a virtuals video on that too. First perps AI on Binance, infrastructure layer for agentic capital markets. Ooh.
Okay. It's about to be a lot of trading bots, so agent capital markets is next after.
Yeah, let me check
Creator
this out.
capital markets.
And who is this guy? This is one of the devs here. Agent Capital. Okay. Alt account. His alt account. Let's see. Oh man, fuck that alt account.
Yeah, why you even have it on there, bro?
The alt account is supposed to stay anonymous.
Yeah.
Oh, but this does look a little interesting. We'll see. I'm gonna check it out. It might be a nice little gamble play for me again. A lot of these virtual agents plays have been gambles lately, and it comes out in 6 days. But that's the only thing. So I don't know. Did the luster from virtuals die out, or am I,
a little bit? I mean, I just feel like there's a little bit more rugs on there now. That's all.
Yeah. Am I just holding out hope for the next 100x?
Yeah. I mean, there's gonna be one on virtuals. There's gonna be one on Pump Fund. Don't worry. They'll have them. They'll be serving them up.
Yeah. After all that talks I've been doing for virtuals, they ain't even sponsored not one video. Fuck them. I need the DCA into Super sealed down from private sale. Yeah, we got hit bad on Super. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even think we made too much money on that.
Oh, y'all was in the private sale with Super?
Yeah. First Pegasus launch, they was bullish. Yeah. They were supposed to be the main. I thought this was gonna be the one that everyone's gonna come back to the trenches for virtuals for. But no.
For that WhatsApp?
Yeah, for WhatsApp.
Okay, yeah.
Chill, this is my girl, man. Yeah, I told y'all, you gotta be nice to your AI. They about to run the world soon.
Yeah, man, she gonna come after you.
Assemble. Oh yeah, Assemble AI. That's what you're talking about. Okay.
This
used to be Nasana.
Hey, what?
Is this used to be Nasana? Am I tweaking?
It says it used to be Assemble protocol.
This is Nasana. Did they change their name? Let me see. Assemble protocol.
AI powered crypto news. Is that the one?
Let me see.
AI trained on asses.
Well, I feel like this used to be Nasana. Let me see. I'm not tweaking. I have a feeling they just changed their name.
They just changed the name.
Yeah, but I'm trying to figure out if they really changed their name and when did they change their name. Unless there is another Nasana, and I'm the one tweaking. Oh no, yeah, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Okay, I was wrong. Assemble. So what is Assemble? I was looking for. Where is he going here?
Okay, so it's AI news.
Oh, it's a super crypto power super app, news super app. Do we need a token for that?
Yeah. What you mean? Do we? Of course.
Yeah.
We tokenize everything. Nah.
Can't we just pay for a subscription?
Yeah, we could just pay for a subscription for sure. But let's see. We got to look at the use cases.
And they do got subscriptions.
But how does it work? Because sometimes, like, people got to realize, sometimes the token was just to fund the team.
Yeah, that could be like that too.
And they're not going to really put much back into it. Sometimes they put something back into it, like they set a buyback or something. But
for right now, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is a miss me. What's the market cap? 16 million. Yeah. What was his all-time high?
Open AI. Yeah, for me, a news app at 16 million is pretty well evaluated, in my opinion.
Yeah.
I can't see it going to 100 mil. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, nah. This one, I'm not too interested in it because I could just see it having a subscription.
Mm-hmm. And then
baby powder.
The subscriptions won't be paid with crypto.
Where we at right now? Super Dapps was named after me, but it's the next generation of applications They will be available in desktop or mobile. Super dApps will combine the best features of multiple chains into one app. I like
Oh,
that.
so the super dApps are like, all of the base app would be
Yeah,
considered
yeah.
one of those.
Oh, is the next 100x? Do we catch them? I only caught 2. What was it? Well, yeah, 2. 100x's they're very rare unless you playing in some memes.
Yeah, they're very rare memes, but
Oh,
they
god
also
damn.
take some time,
I went to click on this just to show you. We was just talking about this on stream. Yo, I'm not promoting no meme, guys. I gotta put that out there. I'm not promoting no memes. I just seen it on stream. It was at a 400 some thousand market cap, and it looks like it's running up. This the meta right now on Solana, because I was gonna pull up this one. Psyop anime, which went crazy. This is like the easy 100x you could look for if you're in the right groups. Look at the past hour. God damn, yo. This is the type of hit I want. We got one with Gina, but we need to find another one.
Gina was 4 of them in the same day. That was crazy.
Yeah, low key, I ain't gonna lie. I'm kind of jelly right now.
Damn, you were just talking about that's crazy.
I'm really kind of jelly right now. Like, we're about to see a God candle here. Yeah, hold on. Let's keep this on stream here so we come back to it.
We'll see where it gets to. I'm saying that we be at 500K by the time we end.
You say 500K? I say we above $1 million. We're above $1 million before the stream is over. I don't own any, so this is just a friendly bet here.
So we see.
How about game or virtuals? I'm actually still very bullish on game.
Bullish on game as well.
Game is one of the
learning what it was.
If virtuals go up, game is always going to follow. It's a nice little beta. Some people want to call it to virtuals, but it's definitely gonna have this own SDK. It powers every virtuals agent there, so I think they just got pushed game a little bit more here. But they're looking to do more things for the platform. I think they forgot about game for a little bit, but I think game is going to come back. I did have that one theory where I thought as they was going to build into robotics, I thought they was going to build a robotics SDK with game for their embodied AI that they was going to be building out. So
oh yeah, that would go crazy.
So yeah, this is the framework. So and and it's powered by Butler. So if Butler takes off, Butler could get a little bit interesting here. We'll see. Yeah, they just reposted it. Nothing there. Hold up. So this is the utility clarification. For every $1 the agent revenue processes by Butler agent, 1% will flow into the game treasury. So we got that there, man. She says she's going. Hey fellas, keep your eyes on NFTs. Yes. They're actually making a comeback.
Okay.
But the token is making a comeback. Let me see. You guys probably don't remember. We talked about this on stream. Let me see.
Oh, the NFT strategy tokens?
Yeah. We talked about this on stream. And I called out what you call it? Where is it at? Am I blind? What is it called? It's not called Punk. Ape strategy. There you go. Ape strategy came all the way back down. So it's up 33% in the last 24 hours. So I might have to look to get back into ape strategy here. As the NFT narrative is actually running a little bit here. And you can see it with Vibe strategy up 78%. Pretty much all of them is pretty much up. Nakamigos is up a little bit. But I got burned on this because I think I played it too early though. It's like if you guys don't know, they pretty much use if you're trading these, they pretty much use the fees to buy the NFTs off the floor, and then use the fees to actually also burn the tokens as well. So all of these all got a little vertical bar going up here. So there's a lot of talks going on for these NFT strategies.
Yeah, and they came out in like the bottom of the bear market for NFTs too. Like when they come out. So if NFTs do get traction, these are going to start going crazy for sure because they're just going to pump when the NFTs pump.
So that's a good call out, HBCU. That's a good call out right there.
Yeah,
that's definitely a good call out.
ERC 404s is like one of the top narratives today that pumped.
You said ERC 8004?
404.
404, okay.
Just basically it's a NFT and token in one. So like it's like the NFTs are divisible by the token.
Do you guys think ERC 8004 will be a narrative? It's already a narrative. I think it's already like included with the X402. I don't know if they're gonna have, if you mean like a separate thing, because 8004 is meant to enhance X402.
Yeah, they work together. So I think the X402 is just sucking up that narrative as the name.
I think they're gonna go together. Let's see.
Yeah, like they go together. So when I say X402, it kind of includes those. You gotta have them hand in hand.
And the crazy thing is, I think we just getting started with this like X402 talks. Because if you guys missed it, I gotta bring it back up every time. I gotta bring it back up. Let me bring it back up. Where's it at? Where was my tweet here? Did I switch the tweet? I think I deleted it, but hold on. I could just go onto my profile here. I don't be doing too much on here anyways. Here you go. So X402 is going to be pretty bullish. You can see Google already launched their new Universal Commerce Protocol. I'm surprised this actually didn't spark any conversation or pump any X402 plays just now, because this was actually pretty big news a few days ago, in my opinion. So
yeah, one of them just has to integrate it into one of the agents, then it's a wrap, you know. But
that's BankerBot. Mythos. Brian, welcome to the stream. God damn, I haven't talked. Yo, Jay, remember Mythos, man?
yeah. I was going to my channel right now because I was looking up like how long ago did I make a Mythos video?
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, Mythos has disappointed a lot of people though. Maybe it's because people don't know, just like you pointed out, that their game is actually in the App Store. They got, the NFL Rivals, and then I think they got the MLS Rivals or something that they called. But yeah, and they have the #1 chain for NFTs in terms of volume. If you guys haven't like paid attention, I think also one.
Wait, they got the #1 exchange for NFTs?
Not exchange, but a chain, like for transactions.
Oh, okay.
Because when people play NFL Rivals or the MLS game, they don't realize that they playing a blockchain game.
Oh, right.
And
that's what I liked about them when they first came out. I was like, oh yeah, people don't really know that it's like blockchain behind the scenes and people are using it.
That's some free alpha for you, cuz. I like your channel. Thanks, man. I take the alpha, even though I knew about the alpha, but I take it though. I'm always open to anything that anyone got to say. I haven't kept up with them in a while, so I like when other people are keeping up with plays.
Oh yeah.
I like when they keep up with plays that I'm not keeping up with. Wait, what? Over the coming weeks, Myth will be available on the World Chain ecosystem, alongside the option of holders bridging their funds to Mythos chain on World Chain. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay. If you guys don't know, World Chain is doing some wild stuff, yo. They're also looking to become a super app, a super chain or whatever. They're gonna have their eye scanning thing. Yeah, I don't know if you want to trust them.
That's Sam Altman, right? That's gonna go crazy, man.
They might get.
Unfortunately, man, getting my data into a crypto seems a little too early for me.
Real talk. The only way retail will come back is going to be big layer 1 gaming, NFTs, memes. Anything outside of that is going to be iffy. What's your thoughts on that, Jay?
It's about the apps, right? So right now we're getting to the point where these apps are actually releasing. So it's just who has the killer app. It's always been who has the killer app. You know what I'm saying? But now more than ever, it's like the infrastructure is built. Whoever has the killer app. Like right now, we talked about it in the beginning of the stream. It's Polygon. You know what I mean? As far as the one that's getting the most adoption with Polymarket. So it's going to be pretty interesting, to see, what's going to happen. With that. So I lightweight agree with what he's saying, but I think we just don't know yet because we don't know what that killer app is going to be.
We're gonna have to figure out when retail is gonna come back, and they've been caught up too many times, man. We talk about memes, but memes is one way that retail gets killed every time, because you just basically throwing these newbies into the fire with the sharks.
Make any money? If you don't make any money, you don't stick around. You don't become. You don't become a community member. You don't become you don't get excited about me and EA. You make a YouTube channel about it. You don't. You just play some memes and then you go back to work. So
I'm actually tired of memes. Like, I don't want memes to be the face of crypto and just some.
Yeah, me neither. It's not good. It's not a good face for crypto, only because so many people are getting burned. Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, people make money, but so many people getting burned. once, especially right now, once
Jay,
we overtake which card?
Jay, hold
Oh
up,
yeah,
hold up,
825.
hold up, Jay, hold up, hold
Hold on, man. This is a meme coin. Put that on the 5-minute chart real quick.
Hold on. Yeah, you're right. I was looking at the hour.
There we go.
Hold on, man.
Sheesh.
I don't even own any, and I just opened it up on deck screen, and now I'm salty.
Sheesh.
Yo, let me check my wallet. Let me check my
Let
Phantom wallet real quick.
If I bought some.
Let me check my Phantom wallet real quick. Do I got some spare change?
Yeah.
Man, this is sickening.
I don't put no money in my Phantom, man, unless I'm ready to.
Yeah. Once the stream is over, I'm gonna have to look what's going on the Solana side. I might have to put a few souls on
Solana. Get back into Solana, might play with some memes. I mean, that market is gonna be pumping. You know, what I mean, people love that.
Jesus, and then damn, yo, see, this is what I want Base to have, this type of traction, man, where someone could fair launch something. And then you just catch it like right here, and it just starts to run. We got like base got like investors, but they just be wanting the utility stuff. They ain't got the DJ mindset like Solana, man. But we did say,
it's all about design too. A lot of it, I mean, you know, they do got the DJ mindset like Solana. There's people waiting to ape, but there is some things that go along in the beginning and behind the scenes that like get it to do all that, like the bundles and the thing like that. So Solana has a special system for, like, we can't just be like, oh, they're fair launching on Solana and then they're going crazy. Like, that is not what's happening. You know, that is definitely not what's happening. You know, there's a certain amount of, I'd put this in air quotes, market making that happens, you know, and supply control that happens before it pumps. So
yeah, that's fact. That's a fact. That's a good point right there. Brian, yo, if you're still around, let me know what your, like, how long you think you planning on holding Mythos for? Like, what's your outlook on that? Because, like, it looks good.
He really brought that back to my attention. So, like, yeah, let me know, like, you know,
it looks good. It's just the fact that
some research back on that again.
I want to know if you've been holding during this whole downturn, because, like, just like Crypto G says, RP to Polka Dot, man. I don't want to say it, but goddamn, boy, I don't want to say it. It's just that I gotta see. If gaming does come back, this is like the number one of the plays that you should look into. Of course, you're gonna have Beam, you're gonna have other ones, but at a 11 million market cap, it's hard to beat this as of right now with 2 successful games in the App Store already. I played their NFL game; it was good, but doesn't matter. Weirdly enough, yeah. Everyone, smash that like button. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I don't know if you want to trust them. Yeah. If y'all got any other low caps that we should look into, let me know. We're gonna stay on stream for a little bit. You got any other low caps, Jay, that you want to talk about? We got.
I'm pretty bullish on a token right now, Quill. You know what I'm saying? And it's a straight grassroots type of wrapped Quill, actually. Grassroots type of token. I've been following.
Is this one Inc. Finance?
No.
What is it? Am I not?
It's not popping up actually.
Oh, this one.
Wrapped Quill, yeah. It's doing all right today.
What is this? Talk to me. 25 million.
It's like a layer 1 with privacy, and basically doing that whole internet reborn thing, scalability. It's like what the blocks, like trying to redo a blockchain, privacy built in and all this stuff. And I'm really just liking the team. And I don't normally invest just because of a team, you know what I'm saying? But I've been following them for a while, and they've been working and seeing it develop. So I'm like, yeah, I like this project right here.
There's actually gonna be a lot of new projects that's gonna be dropping, yo. Quill Reborn.
Well, it's definitely gonna be stuff in the privacy narrative as far as layer 1s go, or layer 0s. Definitely privacy layer 0s, and then you know, with layer 1s as far as RWAs, like those type of things, because they could actually make value on their own. Like, they don't need to have a whole ecosystem. They could just be, you know.
Talking about one that I just found right before the stream. Like, I'm just going to be doing my research on this today. And you guys know I'm pretty bullish on robotics, and I told you guys in this year there's going to be a lot of robotic plays that's going to be coming out. This one, I don't know how I've missed this for so long, but I ran into it today. And I see it's followed by some credible people that I like in the robotic space. It's what you call it, virtual peoples, some virtual ventures, virtual ventures people. You guys can see a core contributor here, from virtuals, and some other people here. And then this is the co-founder of Ex Machina. You know how bullish we are on Ex Machina.
Mm-hmm.
So I missed out on this, but this one looks like it's something I'm going to be wanting to look into. So expect an updated robotics video coming up very soon here, because a lot of new robotics plays is coming out, boy. CSS just happened too.
Yeah, CSS. I wanted to go to CSS.
Nah, I can't go over there, man. I can't even lie to you.
I wanted to go, man. I might go this year, so.
I'm not gonna lie, I still got lucky to buy back in. I was waiting for the market to be real bullish. Yeah.
Okay.
Not bad. As long as you not losing money. You bought back at the lows. This is looking at it again.
Gain wealth and preserve wealth. We don't want to take losses. That's all.
This came down.
Gain and preserve. We ain't no virtue in holding because you're bullish. Ain't no virtue.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
01 Labs, decentralized AI. Yeah, OG Labs.
01 Labs.
You talking about OG? OG. Where they at? Did I miss them already? Where is it? Am I bugging? OG. Is it spelled something else? I'm not tweaking. It can't be 01. And let me see. It can't be 01. Oh no, it's OG Labs. Oh, zero is 0G, right? 0G. There we go. Was that the one you talking about?
You said 01 Labs. Where you get OG?
I'm pretty sure this was. Is it not? Is it 01?
I think it's 01 Labs. No.
What is 01?
Never mind.
Yeah, is it not OG? You're not talking about this one? If you're not talking about this one, yeah, he's definitely talking about this one, because their token lockup for next year is gonna make they definitely, because this one just recently came out not too long ago.
That just came out.
Yeah, I'm like, I know that one. That's been on my radar. I'm waiting for them to dump it.
Okay.
I'm waiting for them to dump it, boy. What's the vesting looking like for this? Oh, okay. They blessed us. We get to see. So there's some vesting going on. The team doesn't get their token till... Okay, it's going to come. They're going to get their tokens very soon here. In this year, you got backers. Okay, initial commitments already all done. So once this starts to flow in, we're going to see, because this is big. 22%. Total of 44% of the entire allocation of the entire supply is within the team and the backers. That's ridiculous, boy. That is ridiculous.
It's how many?
44% in total is within the team and early backers. So there's gonna be a lot of dumping going on all the way up to 2029.
Yeah, sheesh.
Actually, he's talking about another one. Ticker DEAI. Oh, 01 Labs. Okay. I think we looked
at that's what I was thinking. Yeah, 01 Labs, but that's 01. Isn't there another 01 Lab? Oh, yeah.
Nah, yeah.
There's too many 01s.
Let me see here. I haven't looked into this in a long time, too. This is privacy, right? This is also a privacy enabling thing.
The AI marketplace, AI incubator.
Decentralized, powering decentralized AI, FHE encryption. It's another chain here. Working with Near, Ocean, Aptos, Oasis, Google. I actually haven't looked into these guys since I feel like they brought this up too many times. Do I even follow them?
This is probably my first time seeing. Oh no! Yeah.
You know about this. As soon as you see this logo, you know that.
Yeah, as soon as I see the logo, yeah, I'm following them for sure. But I haven't actually kept up with them, to be honest. Like
their 2025 recap here
on my list.
That's it. That's all they got on their 2025 recap. Make it more professional.
That could have been just a regular article. Have you heard of QAI?
QAI.
Quantex AI.
What's this one? QAI. What's this one? Which one? Quantex?
Yeah.
Is this quantum computing? What the heck? Why is it at 60 mil?
Yeah.
What is this? Where you found this at?
This one was getting shilled for me, getting shilled to me for a minute, but just earlier today I saw them on a list of coins that were performing good. So I was like, oh yeah, it's time to look back into this one.
They gotta talk. This was in December with Super. Super is up there. Okay. It's a new one. I actually didn't peep this one. I like the tokenomics already, boy.
Yeah.
This is Pumponomics.
Pumponomics is nice. Tokenomics is nice.
This is Pumponomics right there. Let's check out on this.
You know, they're like a hedge fund company, so they know what's up. They know what to look for.
Bring this bitch back down. Bring this bitch back down.
What to look for.
Bring this bitch back down. All right. So if there's any other comments here, let me check through all the other ones. There's no other comments. We coming back on Thursday. We're going to be talking about narratives again. What narrative you want to talk about on Thursday? Should we talk about AI? We talked about RWAs on last Thursday, so we might talk about AI this Thursday.
About AI and robotics. Let's go robotics. on Thursday. I think it'd be a good time.
Yeah, we could do a full AI.
Those like we, huh? What'd you say?
We could do a full AI stream. Robotics is with that too. X402.
Yeah. Robotics, AI, X402. That includes computing and everything. So that's really what I'm looking at right there. Just robotics. I do have some, layer ones and stuff going, off the side. If we start talking about AI, I got to get more into Tau because that's really where my AI money's been flowing.
Yeah, Tau is going to be leading the space anyways. All right. So that's the stream for you guys. We had a nice little decent stream, an hour and 30 minutes. Talked about some altcoins. Where's Bitcoin sitting at right now? You got any closing thoughts for Bitcoin right now?
Let's see where we at. Let me check the Bitcoin chart real quick before we get out of here.
Yeah, 95.
95. We want to hold this level. As long as we hold this level before the end of the week, it's good.
You don't got the charts up. Oh, you don't got the charts up right now.
See. Okay, yeah. But overall, I wasn't really even going to look at it. I'm just saying, we just got to hold this 95 level by Sunday. We start coming down below 94, 93 by Sunday. It starts to not look as good as it looks today. So, today was getting bullish. Nice wake-up call. Hey, find your tokens. Find the best ones. And, yeah, that's it.
That's what I like. We're going to be back on Thursday, guys. Around the same time. Stay up for the stream. We're going to be talking about some AI stuff. So, you guys be prepared to shill some good AI altcoins. None of that BS. And that's the stream for you guys. And I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.
Peace. He said none of that BS.